So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Shining before you, this is me Farhan Khan. You're watching
Time
Let's
नीचे
Speak.
क्या
Today once again come here, daily we can make
पैरों को
video.
नीचे कर लो.
Our motto only for speaking and enhance communication skill. So today we gonna rock. The session is very crucial and very trending, offline and online because nowadays inflation is very high. Some person they don't have they are not they are unemployment just because of that there are lots of crime increases. So we have to aware our audience. If you don't have offline job, you can do online job. If you don't know about online job, you can do offline job. Both are better and both have some advantage and disadvantage as well. So firstly, here we make two party like Shahil Bhai and Asam Bhai. They support.
What we are supporting silence.
Arey, you should choose. You can choose.
Okay, we are supporting offline job.
Uh, so they are supporting offline job. So definitely we have to support online job.
Yeah.
So firstly, I want to give the opportunity to him. You can speak about why you support offline job.
Give me your
Okay, thanks
opinion.
for giving us a golden opportunity to speak about our topic. Today we have come back again. Today we have a two topic, that is the job, and one is the offline and second is the online. And me and Sahil bhai has chosen one topic, that is the offline job, and Farhan bhai and Faiz bhai has chosen online job.
Online
What
job.
is the difference between? Now, firstly, we both speak about offline. After that, we give him chance to speak about their topic. What is the difference between online and offline? Now, I'm going to tell you about you. Okay. In offline job, there's so many benefits, and in offline job there is so many benefits, and in online only few. How? In online job, you only can do work alone at your home. But in offline, you will go outside. At that time, you will meet to unknown person. They will make friends. You will, live in an atmosphere. You will feel to do work with them, with those people who are know very well about you. They will teach you. But if you are working at your home in online, so you firstly you have to experience of that work, then you can do. If you don't have a experience, skills, whatever, so you can't do. But in offline we can learn properly. We can ask to those people who are doing working with us. This is the benefit of a offline.
So, Mr. Raju, you mentioned about the offline. When we do offline job, we may interact lots of people inside and outside everywhere. So, but we don't think about privacy can waste, save our time, save our energy. If you have to go in if you are doing offline, you have to be like a robot. You have to be wake up same time. You have to take breakfast and you have to run so fast in your job in your office. And the time is not fixed. The going time is very fixed, but coming time sometimes not fixed. Like you have to be reached over there in 9 p.m. But sometimes you have to, like your vacation time 5. Sometimes you have to be stay over 6 o'clock. Sometimes 7 o'clock. It's also very bad. And the other thing, like we are human nature. Sometimes our body not feel not work properly. Like I got my job timing is 9 o'clock, and suddenly just because of fever, just because of harassment, I got up. I just wake up at 8:50. That time I realized, oh my God, I have to go. I have to reach over there. Within 10 minutes, it's not possible for bathing, for freshing, and taking breakfast as well. But if you're doing online, doesn't matter. You just wash your face and open your laptop and you can do your work. This is good advantage. And as well, if you online, you can do your job, and as well you can live by your surrounding your family. You can spend your gala time as well. Like sometimes you feel, oh, I'm feeling bored. You put off your laptop and enjoy the family. Again you can again you can do your job. So this is good. But in offline, once you can enter in office, doesn't matter what you feel, you have to do work. And sometimes your boss also abuse and is called, and it's a cause of humiliation. because if online your boss scold you, only you listen and your boss. But in offline there are a lot of co-workers. Sometimes they make you bully, they make you fun. Your boss is scolding that type, your boss is scolding that type. So this is a very big issue for offline. So that's why I prefer online is better. Now, second opinion, I want to second opinion. I think Mr. Faisal, he is,
But I want to reply your answer.
yeah,
As you mentioned that offline jobbers look like a robot.
yeah,
They do job as a robot.
yeah,
How can you say we are a robot? This is not a topic of a robot. This is the discipline.
yes,
If I am waking up at 7 o'clock, this is not a robot matter. This is the discipline. If you have come here for learning English, you also wake up. What in which time I don't know.
yeah,
You wake up in morning time, and in your coaching time, you go there. So I also can say you are a robot. This is not a robot. This is a discipline.
yeah,
And
right.
discipline does matter. If you want to be a successful person, so you have to stay. You have to work on a discipline. If you are a disciplined person, then you can be whatever you want to be. If you don't have a discipline, so you can't become what you want to be. Sorry. And
Yeah,
as you mentioned again, boss boss can scold you.
yeah,
In our home, our mother, our parents also scold us. So what's the problem? There is a there is a difference. I know.
yeah,
In parent, in a boss,
yeah,
but he is a boss. Sir also scold us. If we do a wrong thing, so everyone will scold.
yes.
Okay, this is not a matter of online is a good, offline is a good. No, offline is a much good.
But you're talking about discipline. Discipline comes its own feeling, not for if anyone compulsion. You just wake him up just because compulsion. You have to do like that. In a Sunday, why people not get up so early in the morning in a Sunday? They feel free. They have wisdom. That's why they wake up whenever they want. But on the Friday, sorry, Monday to Saturday, they have to be because they are compelled. No, they are compelled to. You have to do that work.
Okay.
And you're talking about boss and family. So when boss is called, there is your mother, your parents is called. That time your family only, like your sibling. So you in front of sibling, taking is called is not a big deal. But in front of stranger person, in front of co-worker, if anyone is called, it's a very big deal. Sometimes some person because depressed. How can a person scold me? How can he abuse me? It's kind of happen everywhere.
Okay. As you mentioned, it is a compulsion.
Yeah.
If you are doing, you have to do. It's a compulsion. Firstly, I will give you suggestion. Study about those people who have become a billionaire.
Yeah.
They do not work up his desire. They have done only work for his compulsion. Study about Ronaldo. He doesn't say I want to do. No, I have to do at any cost. If I am ill, I have to do. After that, I have to do.
But he didn't work
If
any job,
someone,
he not
if someone
prescribed
is,
job.
if someone is not happy with me, after that I will do. I will have to do. This is if you will work with one word, that is a have to do. That means you are working on the success.
No,
then
you have to do. It means Ronaldo. You talk about Ronaldo. He is become a footballer. That is his desire. That's why I say I have to do. But going to work is not desire.
Okay.
It is
There are
compulsion.
there are
Okay,
so
let it be,
many
let it
there are
be.
so many footballers,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
why only few
Oh.
footballers are famous?
Yeah.
This is my
Yeah,
question.
right. Yeah. I think I think this the solution let it be on viewer. They can comment and they can share their views which is better offline or online. Now I have to do another guest. So I would like to say Mr. Faiz, share your opinion. Yeah. Child will be ready.
Good afternoon, guys. Today we are talking about the online job and offline job. Who is best? So I am supporting a online job. Today I am supporting online job. Online job is the best, much better than offline job, because this time, like after in Mumbai city, in a Mumbai city, running season, running season, many in a running season, many more like a
More distraction,
no,
more
no, no.
distraction, more disturbance. Yeah.
In a running season in Mumbai, water pouring in a 20 hour
Yeah.
in a 3 days, 2 days is a continue. But when we like I'm a job offline. I'm doing job offline. So how we can go? We can't go because if I will go, if I will go and doing job, if I will go and doing job, that time we face a rent and we wait on rent. And
Listen.
my other point is in a Delhi many crowd and many traffic that in a and many pollution and our in a Delhi CM said do job in a work home
Yeah.
because when we go with bike and someone go with a car, it's increasing a pollution.
You're right.
So let's have complete and do.
Answer the
Son
shine.
of son. I will reply. Give me the
Energetic.
Thank you so much.
Looking at camera.
Thank you so much. Give me this chance.
Yeah,
हैं?
of course. Look at camera.
इधर
First,
देखो इधर
First, your opinion is a raining time in a Mumbai, and second opinion is your pollution. First, I want to say that it's a raining time. Like continue 10 or 5 days raining. So company and boss know nowadays continue rainings. So he understood the employer and worker can't come to in a company, but maybe maybe is important. So people easily go by car, by bus, by rails, easily go to the company and the buildings.
Because
Wait a minute. And second point, your was pollution. So which type pollution you said?
many types of air pollution.
Air. Only
And
air
sound
pollution,
pollution
na?
also.
Pure air pollution,
Doing
na?
it.
Sound pollution.
Sound
And because
pollution
you know,
also.
in a Delhi, na, in a like a Delhi is richest city. That's why people.
Not a
That's why
Delhi.
at least yeah. That's why people. That's why people go there. That's why people go there and earn money, and that's why so many crowd. And that's why and
No, you are just manipulating. You are not giving the
Yeah.
right answer.
How can you, brother? How can you, brother?
brother
Just manipulating.
We can,
brother
we can easily,
day by day
do-
increasing
do job in a
increasing
job.
pollution in
Like a-
Can you
Delhi.
tell me
Why?
which type job?
Why are you saying
like a-
Only one question.
Okay.
Which type job online provide? Tell me.
Data entry or certain
Of course, we can
delivery,
easily
hard
we can do job easily. We can do job easily like a data entries and someone doing and make a app in a home and like a accounting thing, data entry and like a freelancer. We can easily do in a home.
Okay. I have answer.
And you are saying a many crowd. How? Why in Delhi many crowd? We are still in Lucknow. No more crowd in Lucknow.
The people give some money.
in a-
na?
in a Delhi-
People give some money. That's why people.
Speak of one word.
Okay.
People because why in a Delhi many crowd over increasing because everyone go in a with bike. Everyone go in with bike for job.
and air condition due to air condition.
Everyone go job for job with bike with bus is not good.
I have answer. Yeah.
Now you can
Okay.
answer.
Yes,
Answer.
of course.
Answer.
I have answer.
Okay.
You should only online job like a technical, not without technical. Like a worker, a builder man make a building by worker, and second thing is shopper. A cloth businessman hire two worker. Not he can't do technical things like a settlements, like a checking. Who will do? Worker na. Not a technical thing na, like a
This
laptop,
time-
not a
this
laptop,
time,
not a laptop.
technical thing
First,
available like
Have you heard the
this.
name of
Yeah.
NIL?
Hmm?
Robot?
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are
Only some work, only
Like
some,
when-
only
listen to
some
me.
work will do
Listen
like
to
a
me.
technical
When we-
programming,
when-
graphic designing, and app development, web development. But you can't do like a daily work like na.
It's already daily work and-
Not a daily work.
It's a
like
daily work.
Like a vegetable man.
What is daily work?
Like a
Like a vegetable
freelance
man
man.
daily came and sell the vegetable.
And what
This is
about
the main important.
what
Yeah,
about
Very,
that
very
one?
important.
Just because of going
He is
outside,
not-
lots of
people
girls
may
face
not doing a,
harassment. Lots of girls
job.
face harassment. Lots of
He is a
and as well they got accident. Lots of people got accidents because of outing. They're going to job. If they work in online at their home, no any boundaries, no any reason of accident, and they can not only work home, they can do their work. Their work doesn't matter. He is in a park. He is on outside. He is on the way. Everywhere they can work. There's no any boundaries. But offline, you have to have a particular office to doing your work.
Only I think 5% girl like to technical things, and other girls like beauty parlor, haircuts, and drivers. And
It's a-
if you
it's a-
do offline, me person I like beauty parlor. I will go in a shop. That time I will learn. I will learn in under a man. Yeah,
And after
you
that
can't learn online. If you learn like this, but you can't
learn deeply.
you can't learn deeply, like first apply here. That time again and again
How
you
can
learn.
you say? How can you say? That
It is
nowadays in
not
Instagram,
job.
YouTube, in Instagram,
You
you
may
get
not.
lots of tutorial available. With the help of that, you can learn
Yes.
all
अरे
this.
यार ऐसा कैसे बोल रहे हैं यार? Without practice you can't do.
No, you can.
Yes.
You can.
You can practice in
Yeah.
your
Okay,
home.
okay.
I think you know.
You can practice in your home because
अरे
you
यार,
should.
listen my word
Yeah.
यार. Maybe I apply on cream.
Yeah.
On face cream na. Maybe I will do other person. So that time see you will not do nahi.
Proper.
You will not did proper na.
Yeah. You are not doing proper.
Because you have no knowledge, you have no experience.
Yeah.
How can you say? With the help of
As you mentioned accident,
Yeah.
if
Yes.
someone will go outside, so maybe accident can be happen.
Yeah.
So what about earthquake?
This is some rare
No,
case.
this is not a meaning of a some days or a
Yeah.
lots of days. What about earthquake? What about we storm? What
It's
about
a
why
natural thing, na.
It's not a natural.
It's
With
a
the help
natural
of
thing.
when
It's not a
earthquake
natural
came,
thing, na.
no.
It is happening on
When
the-
earthquake came, doesn't matter offline. Both are affected. Not only
Yes.
offline,
No.
not only offline. How can you say?
Here is
And he
not-
talking
you
about
personally
no one can.
accident.
As Mr. Sahil mentioned,
Without
no one can make no skillful with the help of online. You know, with the help of online study, many people got selected as IAS, UPSC.
Yeah,
I was talking about beautician.
haircut, yeah.
They can also make.
And he
How
opened
can-
his job. He
Come to our point. Come to our topic.
Do you have any point or not?
It's not our topic.
Yes.
What is?
Come to our topic. Online. We speak about online job.
तेरा गजब बक्सो ने नंबर बढ़ा लो भाई कहां
Okay.
उसको उठाओ व्हाई आर यू स्टैंडिंग
Yeah.
स्टैंडिंग
I
दैट
have a question.
Recap बना रहा हूँ.
question to you all. I
Recap.
have a question to you guys. If online education,
हाँ.
if online job is a good, so can we build house online?
1 minute.
Can we eat child online? Can we do anything online?
Yeah.
It is possible. It is
Yeah.
possible.
Firstly, you are talking about building. Firstly, we can with the help of online, we make it with structure.
We make
Firstly,
it structure.
and second,
So leave
and
in a
second,
structure.
yeah.
Why
And
are what are
second,
doing here?
we can put it as well. We
you can
we
make
order
structure then you live
we
in
can-
live in structure
we
I
can
didn't
order by
mention structure. I mentioned
by
how.
we
how
can
you
order
build
by
online.
Swiggy, by billing up. There's lots of
Yourself.
available online app available. We can get
online
food.
app
We are-
yeah,
I
who will work?
said, I said,
Who will
I
work?
said,
Yeah,
can
who
you
will work?
eat? I'm not saying can you buy. I
They
said can you eat?
Yeah.
How can?
Firstly,
Who did?
firstly we
Arey,
order. Firstly
who
we
did?
order, and order will come after the we can take.
Who did
we
work?
can eat.
कौन
Yes.
काम करता है
Who does work?
Who does work?
They
The
are
man.
also- they are-
That time man.
Indirectly they are also they are doing online job because they don't go any particular place. They are living here or their home, doesn't matter, sometime market, just because of some SMS go in their mobile, they press, oh, I have to deliver that product. This is also
What do
online
you
job.
think? What do you think about army?
Yeah, you were talking about army. Yeah, but
How
nowadays
they will protect? If soldier will not stay there, so how our country will be safe?
yeah,
we
but
can
we
stay in
develop lots of
robot.
ballistic because we are also
We can stay
working
robot
on
and we are
robotic things.
First you have educated, then you will create robot.
Yeah. But we are working
But-
definitely. The day will come when our defense
Talk
system
about
totally
this,
on
talk about
online.
this day.
Yeah.
Talk about these days.
Yeah, not to future day.
We are not in future.
Yeah.
We are in present.
You know,
Saudi
so
Arabia,
online is
Saudi
online is
Arabia,
Saudi
online
Arabia.
is
Yeah,
everywhere.
go and start.
No.
We are living in
Online
India.
is everywhere.
We should talk about India.
We should not talk about
So,
India. We
they-
should
they
talk
don't
about
want to-
online
they don't
job
want to
and
develop-
offline
yeah,
job.
of course.
If you are do,
Yeah,
if you
we
are
don't
doing,
want to see
They don't want to
if you
develop
are
India
doing,
as more than
Okay,
more than-
brother.
you want to do, why you are going Saudi
Yeah,
Arabia?
yeah,
Why
yeah,
are you
yeah,
learning
he
for
doesn't
Saudi
have a
Arabia?
point.
Our
He doesn't have a point.
intelligence
Now
work
let me
on
ask you.
online, sir. Our intelligence work online job. No. If any crisis will about to come in our country, they've sent their message to army with the help of online, not for at ancient time. They hire a man with the help of horse. They can go. No, they just send their all
That
message.
was beautiful.
All, no.
मेरी army die day by day.
Someone
मेरी
tried
army
to
die
go
day by day.
outside. Oh my God.
So you have
It
to
was
go.
beautiful.
You have to go. You have to go. You know, the very rural area. There is no electricity. There is no any net. You can go and live survive.
You talk about the robot, na?
Yeah.
Give me. Only give me. Give me, yeah.
It's not making.
Yeah.
We can.
Maybe a border 500 soldier.
Yeah.
So who 500 soldier and in a future 500 robot.
Yeah.
Who chalana?
Who will
नहीं, नहीं,
Operate.
operate?
Who will operate? Only one person
One.
operate one robot. Not
No,
a two
Are you
person
seeing?
robot.
Are you seeing the Chitti movie? Are you seeing Chitti movie?
Right now, sir, you have to be in. You have to be in.
But we can
One man
control.
Can operate.
We
not
can
only
control.
500. One
You know,
man operate
drone.
with
How we
millions
control
of soldiers.
on drone
Million
in a
of
1%?
You know, in ISRO NASA, they have only one person. They operate all the system.
Yes, of course, like
How
a
can
drone
you
in
say-
a.
How
Who
can
will
someone-
who will running? Who will running? A person
Like
na?
a-
Lots
Yeah,
of
okay,
person who
okay,
will
okay.
running na?
So that means in future human will be die and robot will rule our country.
Beyond, I'm not saying human will be die.
What we are doing
We are
right
not
now-
saying human will be die.
What we are
Because
doing right now?
we are talking about army.
What-
We are talking about army na that time.
What we are you know
Right.
what we are doing right now at same thing robot will do. In
Yeah.
future.
No.
Okay.
We are
We are protect. We are protect only
The
by
debate goes
drone.
to another
By
place. We are talking about offline. This debate goes to another place. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video is very informative for you, it's very useful for you. So please like the button and share and subscribe my channel and share to all friends.
Yes.
And if
And
we
put the
do
bell icon.
anything wrong, because you know we are beginner. So
Beginner.
don't judge because. Don't judge, but you take
And do
motivation
comment
when
in
we
comment
do,
box.
then you can
But-
also do.
And do comment
Be connected.
in a comment box.
यार,
But
नहीं होगा यार.